Hello, my name is Valencia Munez, and I am a student in Kent State University, and I lost all my data the week of finals, unfortunately. Um, and I contacted a lot of places, Best Buy to try to get my stuff, some companies, and everyone was completely out of my budget, and some even said I couldn't fix it. So I found Pitts Global. It was recommended to me by a friend actually, and I pretty much called them up and shipped my solid state drive to their labs so they can evaluate it. And the day it got there, that day that it got there, they already evaluated it, and they said the hard drive was failed, which I did not know. I thought it was the cause of a Windows update, but it's just a failed hard drive. So they gave me a price that was out of my budget, and they worked with me on that price, and I got it. They gave me a pretty good discount, which I really appreciated. Because you already know the struggles of a college student. It's real, you know. So they fixed my solid state drive within 3 days, which is awesome. I'm just happy all my data got back. So I really appreciate Pitts Global. Thank you so much. They even sent it to me through cloud, so I didn't have to pay for the new hard drive because I don't even need a new hard drive. I just needed the data. And I appreciate them working with me. Wonderful communication. I even got to check all my files to see if it was there through Teams Viewer, which is awesome. So thank you, Pitts Global, for helping me out.